Thanks for tuning in to Custom Tactical Designs channel, guys. We're going to go over our 2026 parts kit that's been improved a bit. So what we used to do was print like this, but that would give us not perfect results underneath. And so we'd have to sand these, but then everything else was almost flawless, except for this under here. So, and we're working with FDM printers. We're working with, $2,000 to $3,000 printers. Ace prints with about $30,000 to $40,000 printers and dusts off their stuff. So they have a much cleaner, better technology. So what we started to do now is print like this, flat like that, and in return we get a much better area on the bottoms and the sides. You do see lines on the bottom, which was where the supports were, and then inside is something that we have to clean up just a little bit. But these are going to be the new parts kits for 2026, and the way you will know that is they will all come in a container like this with our logo on it. And so we're going to go over specific triggers for models. So these two right here with the holes in the sides and the flat tops, these are going to be more for your PDPs and your Canics. This is going to be a new style for the SIG trigger. This is going to be your Glock trigger, and this is going to be your CZ trigger, and this is going to be your short pre-travel 2011 trigger. And so another thing I wanted to show you is some people say they get burnt parts. We apologize if they've gotten a little burnt, so we'll show you what we do. So on the bottom, once we take all these supports off and we sand it down a little bit, it shows just a little white on there from sanding. So we'll take a torch and just slowly go over it for a moment, and then it becomes orange and the white goes away. And that's all we're trying to do, is just get that white to go away, and then you're good. So, but these are the new parts for the parts kit. This is how they are printed, and this is the quality. So we want to be very transparent on how we do things here and what you're going to get. This is a proprietary mag release for the Glock. These two pieces are going to be stuff that you can glue on to the round mag releases. This is so you can actually tune your trigger for how you want your reset, and your brake is right on that little edge, and I've gone over a video with that. But again, thank you for watching. This is the new parts kit, and this is how we're doing it now, and this is what you're going to get. So we appreciate you sticking with us as we grow and continue to innovate and get better. Thank you so much for your time, guys, and God bless. I hope y'all have a great Christmas and Happy New Year.